of stone, his crown of flame. He carries the weight of a kingdom's name. He scans the horizon, the plains and the streets, a kingdom so vast, alive with dreams. He roars to the sky, let wisdom prevail, a council of voices to balance the scale. With talents united, our strength will grow. Together we'll guide where the wind shall blow. Hold out the swift gazelle and the wolf who howls. Each brings a gift, a skill to impart. A kingdom thrives when it shares its heart. A council of many, not one alone. The roots of the forest, the seeds they've sown. Harmony spread, a tapestry spun. Together they shine beneath the sun. He roars to the sky, let wisdom prevail, a council of voices to balance the scale. With talents united, our strength will grow. Together we'll guide where the wind shall blow.